Namaste, I am Sheetal Manoj Sakpal. I participate in content-based videos competition. My school name is RZP School, Lohare. Student, last week we learned about common nouns and proper nouns. Today our grammar topic is countable and uncountable nouns. There is two types of common nouns. Countable and uncountable. Two types of common nouns. One is a countable and other is a uncountable. Let's learn them one by one. First, we learn about countable nouns. Student, look here. This is a trophy. This is a trophy. It's a one trophy. It's a countable noun. Here is another one trophy. Now, 1, 2, 3 trophies. We can count these all trophies. There is another example of countable nouns. In my hand, pen. Pen is a countable noun. Pen, one pen. 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. We can count pen. 1, 2, 3 pens. Pen is a countable noun. There is some more examples. Book. Book is a countable noun. Books. 2 books. 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 books. So, I think you can understand countable nouns. Countable nouns has 2 forms. Countable nouns have 2 forms, singular and plural. And plural. For example, pen, plural form, pens. Book, books. Car, cars. I think you understand pen, pens, book, books, car, cars. I think you understand very well about countable nouns. Now we study about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, we cannot put a number before them. We see in countable nouns that we count them 1, 2, 3. But uncountable nouns, we cannot put a number before them. They have no plural forms. They have no plural forms. For example, I have some pictures of uncountable nouns. Here is a picture of water. In my hand, picture of water. Water is uncountable noun because it have no plural forms. We say only water, not waters. What is this? This is sky. Sky is uncountable noun. We can see in this picture fire. Fire is uncountable noun. And in this picture we can see hair. You know, if you touch your head, we touch our hair. We cannot count hair. So hair is also uncountable noun. We see uncountable nouns example sky, water, sky, water, hair, fun, fire. All these example of uncountable nouns. So in this way we learn about two types of common nouns, countable noun and uncountable noun. Now student, you find countable nouns from your textbook lesson number 1.4 and write also their singular and plural forms. This is your homework.